Muhammad Nur Azra binti Muhammad Nasir.
Hi, my name is Nur Adilanisha binti Muhammadun.
Hi, my name is Nur Aris Fatisha binti Roslan.
Hi, my name is Nur Kisha Damia binti Muhammad Kahar. This is our STEM project. We call it Seresto Robo Vacuum Cleaner. Happy watching!
It's dirty. What is so messy?
My rocket is perfect.
Mess, Mom.
Oh no,
You'll know better, younger sister.
not me. That one who can make mess.
Don't lie.
Okay, if it was me. Ha, I have an idea. Let's help me.
Okay, let's do it together.
Hi everyone, my name is Kisha. Today I want to introduce about our project. This vacuum cleaner can clean dusty places and makes our daily life easier. Vacuum cleaners are equipment that remove and clean many kinds of surface by means of sucking and removing dust and small particles. And it is powered by electricity. The removed dust, particles and material is cycled inside the cleaner. As you can see, this is our vacuum cleaner. These are the main components of the machine. Firstly, this is the motor vacuum, and it is used to suck the dust and the particles into the container. Then this is the circuit board. It is used to ensure the machine can move forward and backward. Next, this is the power supply. We use battery and power bank to supply power to the machine. We also need to power switch in order to activate the machine. Last but not least, we need the main brush to sweep. All the particles and dust to cycle into the container.
Knock. Who's there? Oh, it's Auntie. Come in.
Wow, amazing! It's so clean.
Of course, Auntie. We did it together.
What a super effort from you girls. So how do you feel?
We feel so great, Auntie. Now the machine can help us to tidy up our house. Yay!
Very smart and awesome girls.
Yes, of course, Auntie.